Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an Australian work visa application letter. This letter is used to support your application for an Australian work visa. Immigration officers review this letter to understand your employment purpose, qualifications, work experience, and your readiness to legally work in Australia. So here is how to write it. Sender's information. This section contains your personal contact details. Example, James Alexander Morgan, 45 Maple Street, London SW 1A2AA, United Kingdom, +4479 115 67890. jamesmorgan@email.com. Make sure your contact details match your passport and supporting documents. Date. Write the date using the Australian format, which is day, month, year. Example, 11th May 2026. Immigration officers may compare this with your employment start date and supporting documents. Recipient information. This section identifies the immigration authority reviewing your application. Example, Department of Home Affairs, Australian Government. Including this ensures your letter is formally directed to the correct immigration department. It also gives your document a professional and official structure. Write this exactly as shown in official Australian immigration documents. Subject line, write the visa type and subclass clearly. Example, subject. Application for Australian work visa, subclass 482. There are some visa subclasses such as temporary skill shortage visa or subclass 482, skilled independent visa or subclass 189, skilled nominated visa or subclass 190, skilled work regional visa or subclass 491. This helps immigration officers immediately identify the visa category your letter supports. It also ensures your application is correctly classified during assessment. Always use the exact subclass number for your visa type. Salutation. Example, Dear Visa Officer, this is the opening greeting of your letter. It formally addresses the immigration officer reviewing your application. First paragraph, purpose of application. This paragraph states why you are writing. Example, I am writing to formally apply for an Australian work visa, subclass 482, to work in Australia as a software engineer. This clearly explains the purpose of your application from the beginning. It immediately tells immigration officers the type of visa and position involved. Keep this statement direct and concise. Second paragraph, personal information. Here, introduce yourself. Example, my name is James Alexander Morgan, born on February 10, 1991, holding passport number UK 1234567, and I am a citizen of the United Kingdom. This section confirms your identity and allows immigration officers to match your letter with your passport and visa records. It ensures there is no confusion regarding the applicant. Double-check all personal details carefully. Third paragraph, employment offer details. Write information about your employment offer. Include employer name, employer address, job title, employment start date. Example, I have received an employment offer from Tech Solutions Australia Pty Ltd, located at 120 Collins Street, Melbourne VIC 3000, for the position of software engineer, commencing on the 1st of August 2026. This section confirms that you have secured legitimate employment in Australia. It provides immigration officers with key employment details needed for visa assessment. Make sure this information matches your employment contract exactly. Fourth paragraph, job role description. Explain your duties and responsibilities. Example, the role involves software development, system design, testing applications, and collaborating with technical teams to deliver innovative digital solutions. This paragraph helps immigration officers understand the nature of your work. It also shows how the role aligns with your visa eligibility and professional background. Keep your description clear and relevant to the position. Fifth paragraph, qualifications. List your academic and professional qualifications. Include degrees, certifications, specialized training. Example, I hold a Bachelor of Computer Science from the University of Manchester and an AWS Certified Solutions Architect certification. This section demonstrates that you possess the educational qualifications required for the role. It helps immigration officers verify your professional suitability. Include qualifications directly relevant to the job. Sixth paragraph, work experience. Describe your professional experience. Example, I have 8 years of professional experience in software development, having worked as a senior software developer at Digital Core Limited. This confirms your practical experience in the relevant field. It strengthens your application by proving your professional capability. Mention experience that directly supports your nominated occupation. Seventh paragraph, reason for working in Australia. Explain why you chose Australia. Example, I have chosen to work in Australia because of the opportunity to contribute my professional expertise, further develop my career, and gain international experience in a highly professional working environment. This helps immigration officers understand your motivation for applying. It also shows that your decision is professionally driven and well considered. Keep your reasons realistic and career-focused. Eighth paragraph, eligibility confirmation. Confirm that you meet visa requirements. Example, I confirm that I meet the eligibility requirements for this visa subclass, including skills, qualifications, English language proficiency, and all applicable health and character requirements. This reassures immigration officers that you understand the visa criteria. It supports the credibility of your application. Ensure all supporting evidence is included. Ninth paragraph, financial arrangements. Choose the statement that matches your situation, if employer supported. Example, my employer will provide relocation assistance and employment-related support. This confirms that relocation support has been arranged. It reassures immigration officers that your move is properly planned. Attach employer support documentation if available. If self-funded. Example, I have sufficient personal financial resources to support my relocation and initial settlement in Australia. This shows financial readiness for relocation. It helps demonstrate that you can settle in Australia without hardship. Provide financial evidence to support this statement. 10th paragraph, visa compliance statement. Confirm your understanding of visa conditions. Example, I understand and fully accept the conditions attached to this visa and undertake to comply with all Australian immigration laws and employment regulations. This reassures immigration officers that you understand your legal obligations. It strengthens the professionalism of your application. Keep this statement clear and direct. 11th paragraph, supporting documents. List the documents attached to your application. Example, attached to this application are the following supporting documents: copy of passport, employment offer letter, educational certificates, professional licenses, employment reference letters, skills assessment documents, English language test results, financial evidence, health and character documentation. These documents provide evidence supporting the claims made in your application letter. Strong supporting documents significantly improve the strength of your visa application. Submit updated and clearly readable copies only. 12th paragraph, formal request. Request consideration of your application. Example, I respectfully request favourable consideration of my application for an Australian work visa. This formally asks immigration officers to review your application. It keeps your letter respectful and professionally structured. Keep this sentence concise. Thank you paragraph. This is your professional courtesy statement. Example, thank you for your time and consideration. This adds a respectful closing to your letter. It helps maintain professionalism until the end. Write the formal closing. Example, yours faithfully. This marks the official end of the letter and completes its structure. It keeps your application professionally presented. Add your signature if submitting a printed copy. It adds credibility to your application. Write your full legal name below the signature. This confirms authorship of the letter and connects your signature to your identity. It must match your passport exactly. Before submitting, carefully review your letter and make sure all supporting documents are attached. A complete and well-prepared work visa application letter can significantly strengthen your Australian work visa application. That's it for today's tutorial on how to write an Australian work visa application letter. I hope this explanation helps you write your letter correctly and confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing tutorials and letter templates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.